Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Avinash Singh, and in this video I will show you how to create a custom report and custom dashboard in Google Analytics. If you are in SEO and PPC and managing e-commerce, I think you are looking for a different and unique custom report. So please watch this video till end, and friend, really this video will helpful for you. Before I start watching this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Log into your Google account and open Google Analytics. Okay, this is the dashboard of Google Analytics. Okay, in Google Analytics, here is the option customization. Click on customization and select custom report. Okay, and you will see three options. These are the basic options to start and to create a custom report. New custom report, new category, and import from gallery. Import from gallery means you can import custom report directly from the Google gallery. Suppose I am a Google Analytics user and I have created a custom report and shared on a Google Analytics, then any user can import from there. Okay, you can also go to the gallery and search your custom report, and then you can import from there. Okay, but here I will show you how to create a custom report by myself. Okay, now click on new custom report. Okay, add title name. Suppose I am creating custom report of source medium, then type source medium. View. Okay, name the report tab. Suppose I mention source medium report tab. Okay, before you start to create a custom report, you should know two most important parts of custom report: matrix and dimension. Okay, now if you have no idea what is dimension, what is matrix, then I will explain here the overview of matrix and dimension. Go back to the dashboard. Okay, suppose this is the dashboard. Click on acquisition. Okay, and then click on all traffic, click on channel, and you'll see the report, all the traffic coming from visitors. See here the column and rows. See organic search, direct, and referral. These are the mediums, source and mediums from where the traffic coming. Okay, so what is dimension? So dimension is the attribute of visitors or data. Data means data coming from visitor to analytics. Okay, these are the attributes. Okay, suppose if you select a social media. Okay, and social media, and so then we can say attribute like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, Instagram, like this. Okay, so these are the dimensions. Okay, what is matrix? Matrix is the number who measure the dimensions in numbers or in percentage. Suppose these are the numbers 80, 70, 69, 67, percentage 52.62%. See, these are the matrix. Okay, these are matrix. Now I think you have now basic knowledge of matrix and dimension. Now we are going to create a custom report. In custom report, now add a dimension. Suppose I select dimension source medium because we are creating a custom report of source medium. Then select source medium. You can add multiple dimensions. Okay. Then select a matrix. Suppose I select sessions, page per sessions. Add another matrix. Suppose user. Okay. Then we should select a view. If we select all view associated with this account, means you can create a custom report for all your accounts linked with your Google Analytics. But if you want to create a custom report for a single account, then click on one view select. You can select manually or multiple. Suppose I have selected this one, and then click on save. After clicking save, you will see this is a custom report. Suppose go back to the previous date and apply and see this is a report. This is source medium, Bings and source yahoo.com, Instagram, and these are sessions and users coming from that sources. These are number of users 632. Okay, this is a custom report. But in future you want to see this report, you should save this custom report. Save this custom report, source medium view, and then click on saved report. After selecting the saved report, see here is your custom report, source medium view. Till now I have explained how to create a custom report. Now I am going to explain how to create a custom dashboard. Okay. Select dashboard in customization and then create option. You will see two options, blank canvas and a startup dashboard. You need to click on blank canvas and name your dashboard. Suppose I name source medium. And then select create dashboard. After that, select table format, add your dimension and add a matrix. Suppose I am selecting session, then click on save. See, here is a custom dashboard. Okay. In this custom dashboard, you can add more visit. Click on add visit and you can follow the same process. Okay. This way you can create a custom report. Okay. And I would love to hear from you what you find so interesting in your custom report. So please leave a message in comment below and let me know about your experience.